To all our viewers. In today's episode, we'll see our Indo-Western unique collection of Muhafiz. So we have done with our preparations for you guys. So let's begin with our articles. Kindly mention that there will be a slight variation in the colors due to lighting we use in the videography. And if you want to buy any product, so take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number or go to our website and place your order there. So let's begin with our first article. This is our modest Indo-Western collection which you can wear inside a home, or you can wear it on outside also if you are going with your friends. So this is a peplum tunic top, and this type of the frills is given at the daman of the tunic, and we have given this type of the accessories along with this, and the bottom will be palazzo. So this will be the set of this Indo-Western peplum top with palazzo pant. The size for this will be, the size is XL for this, and price will be 4,400. You can avail a 10% off on this attire. Now let's see our next Indo-Western article. This is Indo-Western kurti. Zardozi work along with the embroidery is done all over the one side of the top, and we have given stylish sleeves. One sleeves is butterfly sleeves. Zardozi work is done all over the sleeves. The fabric is super soft, and another sleeve will be simple, okay, like this. The size will be double XL, that is 44, and the price range will be 2,850. 2,850 will be the price, and you will avail a 10% off on this. Let's begin with our next article. This will be the inner of our next article. The fabric of this inner is soft rayon fabric. Okay, it is sleeveless, and we have given this type of the puff at the slit area from both the sides. It will look very elegant when you wear it with the shrug. So our shrug will be, yes, we are tying up on the inner, black with a coffee color shrug, enhanced with the metal accessories, and the pearls. This fabric will be of the crush fabric. The shrug will be very stylish. The sleeves, square shaped sleeves. Both sleeves will be the same square shape. Okay, and this will be of size M. It's very beautiful Indo-Western attire of Muhafiz. The price for this will be 4,300, and you can avail 10% off on this attire. Now let's see our next article. This is a very soft silky attire, Indo-Western attire for 44 and 46 sizes. That means double XL and triple XL. This type of metal accessories are enhanced at the front of the tunic. You can tie it like this. The fabric of this will be silk, and this also silk. So it will look like this. And same at the slit area, this type of the gatherings of the fabric is done, providing little bit of puff from both the sides. So it will look like this. The size will be, I told you that XXL and XXL, and the price will be 3900, and you can avail 10% off on this article. Hope you enjoyed our today's episode of Indo-Western collection. So kindly mention in the comment box that which Indo-Western attire you like most, and stay tuned for our next episode. Go in the description box for further details. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.